Introducing the Smeg AirFry Tray. Recreate traditional frying in the oven, but with less calories, less fat, and no room taken up on the work surface. Cook quick and delicious dishes like vegetables, fish, and fried foods such as chips and tempura battered prawns, whilst ensuring perfect browning and crispiness. Made of medical grade stainless steel, this accessory can be used in any Smeg oven or range cooker. Positioned directly on the oven runners, the fan, also known as circulaire on the Smeg ovens, creates the intensity of heat that can circulate around the food thanks to the gauze-like structure. Other foods to complete full meals can be located on the other shelf positions during cooking. Some Smeg models even have a dedicated cooking function to optimise the results from the air fry tray. To keep clean, simply wash with warm water and washing up liquid. Dry thoroughly before storing. To find out more about the Smeg oven accessories, visit the Smeg website or click on the link in the description.